Hi guys, welcome to Scimath Academy. In today's lesson we are going to focus on one of the most important topics in mathematics, which is ratio. So a ratio is the term that is used to compare two or more quantities of the same kind. Let's suppose we have two quantities A and B. Then the ratio between the two quantities A and B is represented by A ratio B or A is to B, where A is the first quantity of the ratio and B as the second quantity. The first quantity is called the antecedent of the ratio and the second quantity is called the consequent of the ratio. So the first quantity is the antecedent and the second quantity is the consequent of the ratio. It is spelled as A ratio B or A is to B. A ratio B represents the ratio between the quantity A and the quantity B. 2:4. That means that for every one apple there are 2 bananas, right? 16 girls in a class and 8 boys. So the ratio of 16 girls to 8 boys can be written as 16:8 or can be written as 2:1. That means that if there is one boy, then there will be 2 girls. There are some important points to be kept in mind. One is the two quantities must be of the same kind. The second one is a ratio has no units. Ratio and fraction. The ratio can be expressed as a fraction. For example, the ratio of 40 to 21 can be written as 14:21. It also can be written as 14/21, which is equal to 14/21. Divide the numerator and the denominator by 7, which is equal to 2/3. So 14/21 is equal to 2/3. Ratio of 20 to 80 can be written as 20/80, which is equal to 2/8 or 1/4. So in this way we can write the ratio as fractions. Simplifying ratios. So ratios can be simplified by converting past into fraction and then simplifying. For example, 60 ratio to 180. The ratio of 60 and 180 can be written as 60 divided by 180, which is 60 divided by 60 and 180 divided by 60, which is equal to 1/3. So we can write as 60/180, which is equal to 1/3. So in this way we can simplify the ratio, which is equal to 60/180 is equal to 1/3. The ratio of 60 to 180 is equal to 1/3. In the same way, 15/20 can be simplified as 15/20, which is equal to 15 divided by 20. Now divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. So we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 5, which is equal to 3/4. 15/20 can be written as 3/4 or 15/20 is equal to 3/4. 30/45 as 30 divided by 45 is equal to 30 divided by 45. Divide the numerator and the denominator by 15, right? 15 is equal to 2 and 3. So 30/45 can be written as 2/3, which is equal to 3/45, which is equal to 2/3. So 30/45 is equal to 2/3. And here is another example, 500/750. So we can write as 500 divided by 750, which is equal to 500 divided by 250 and 750 divided by 250, which is equal to 2 over 3. 500 divided by 750 is equal to 2 over 3, or 500 ratio 750 is equal to 2 ratio 3. Simplify this ratio 50 ratio 20 and to simplified form. So simplify this ratio and write the answer in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to mathematics. Types of ratio. There are two types of ratio. The one as part to part ratio and the second one as part to whole ratio. So part to part ratio is a ratio that shows how distinct entities or groups are related. For example, the ratio of girls to boys, the ratio of red balls to blue balls, the ratio of ball points to marker. So in such case, we use part to part ratios. The second one is that part to whole ratio. Part to whole ratio shows the relationship between a specific group to a whole. Out of 10 people, 5 like to read books. So we can write as 5 ratio 10. Shows the relationship between the people who like to read books and the total people. That means that every 5 people from 10 like reading books. So dear viewer, if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math.